So today I'm going to show you how to start an investing account on your OnePay app. Now we're currently on the home page. You can see right up here on the top left, it shows home. And then right here in the center of the screen, you should see this update right over here that says you can start investing, and you do get $5 with OnePay Invest once you have this unlocked. So just as a heads up, if you do not see this over here, there might be two different reasons for it. One being you need the latest update on the app to be able to have this, or two, they are still rolling this out. So if you don't see it yet, be patient and check again in the future. Once it's available, come back to the video to learn how to do this. All right, so from here, we're gonna go ahead and click on the word unlock here towards the bottom right. And then you can see right over here, it's gonna give you some details. You can keep on sliding and it'll tell you all the different things when it comes to what they offer. And then we're gonna go ahead and click on the word let's go here at the very bottom. So from right over here, you do get $5 worth of stock, at least as of this recording. So you can choose one of these different companies. These are going to be just individual stocks themselves. So this is not any stock advice, but you can also go ahead and search for a company or a symbol here at the top. So you're not required actually to go ahead and choose one of these ones here. So for our example here, we're just gonna go ahead and click on NVIDIA, and then it's gonna let us know that that's the one we picked. And then here, we're gonna go ahead and click on next. Next up, it's going to ask you a question of, do these uncommon situations apply to you? And then for us right here, it's going to have it automatically checked as none of the below apply, which is going to be for the majority of people, but definitely double check and read on these different situations. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the next button at the bottom. So next up here, it is going to need a little bit more information, such as our citizenship, our annual income, our net worth. And then we're going to click on the next button once it's highlighted. For annual income, just click on the right-hand side over here, and it'll give you a couple different ranges to choose from. And then same thing here with the net worth. Go ahead and choose this option over here, and then it's going to give you a drop-down menu of different net worths. Go ahead and choose the one that applies to you, and then now that next button is highlighted. Now from over here, it's going to ask your employment status. We're going to go ahead and click on here. It's going to give you a couple different options. Choose the one that best applies to you. Then it's going to ask for your employer name and your employer address, and then we're going to go ahead and click on next. Just keeping in mind that the employer address is optional. And then right over here, we do need to have our agreement and disclosure. These are both checked off for us, but if you need to, just go ahead and click on those hyperlinks to check on those. And then we can click on agree here at the very bottom. And right over here, you can see we're having this loading screen here, just going through and confirming all of our information. And it says we are all set, and then sending our order all in real time here. And you can see right over here, our $5 of NVIDIA, the stock we chose, is on the way. We're gonna go ahead and click on done. And then it has this little pop-up menu here for us. We can also do this later if we wanted to, or we can hit the X on the top right, which we'll go ahead and do. And then from right over here, we now have our investing account on our OnePay app. Now, there's more to learn when it comes to investing on the OnePay app once you have your account open, and we got you covered. Check out our video right over here on screen to dive in deeper into your OnePay Invest.